How to make $100 per day creating podcast cover arts. Now, this is another easy way to make $100 per day that does not require you to have any capital investment. Now, head over to canva.com and create a free account. If you don't know how to design, don't worry. Canva has a lot of designing tutorials that you can use for free on the platform. Next, go to fiverr.com and create an account to become a seller. Now, go back to canva.com and search for podcast cover. Now, you can decide to create your own cover art from scratch by clicking on the create blank template, or you can copy these other templates that are already available for free on canva.com. Once you've created your cover art for podcasts, go back to fiverr.com and begin selling. Here are some of the people already doing the same thing on fiverr.com, and you can see that they are selling so much. Some have up to 1k reviews, which means that this gig sells on fiverr.com and it's free to begin. You don't need to put any capital investment beforehand. Did you like this video? Go ahead and click on that plus sign, like, comment and share. Until next time, bye bye.